The Quick Disconnect allows you to disconnect powder measure with just a simple pull. It makes great Dillon reloading machines even greater. It replaces original Dillon Powder Measure half-ring retention. Installation is very easy. Quick Disconnect is made from aircraft-grade aluminum. It's anodized in blue color that perfectly fits the blue machine. Anodized finish also protects from oxidation and adds durability. It's really useful if you reload multiple calibers with the same powder measure. For example, you reload 9mm and 223. You just disconnect powder measure and change powder bars without readjusting powder volume. Emptying your powder measure was never easier. Disconnect powder measure and simply pour powder back to original container. Now your machine is safer to leave without powder. It also freely rotates on its vertical axis, so powder measure is always positioned in most stress-relieved position. Armanov Quick Disconnect fits all Dillon powder measures such as XL650, XL750, Super 1050 and so on, except the square deal model. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.